guys.
Nakagwapo sa pala sa manok mo. Hi. Okay, complete na rin sila.
You are with children or elderly companions, keep them close and designate a meeting point to aid separation. Report any suspicious items.
Waiting ng mga beautiful. Mary. Parang beautiful mother. Ay naman na yan.
Ay, may pala.
Takop.
Nagtang ko sa expire trading. Ubos-ugit ko.
WVSU from hence West Crew comes from Dr. Joselito F. Villaruz, the College of Pescardin, Dr. Porfirio J. Barlas Jr. And choreographers Wesley Carlo Imon, Roger Gale, Caronas, Lawrence Morga, Dave Aleco, and Francis Dave Bonelli.
Ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention to the screen for a video from BYT.
I saw a huge BYD ship at the pier. Yeah, my grandpa said that BYD comes from the east. My mom works at BYD. She said BYD stands for Green.
Office of the Assistant School Physician Superintendent. We also have Freddie C. Leonardo, MAPE Educational Program Supervisor. Ms. Jocelyn C. Bermudo, District Supervisor. Regina M. Espino, Principal. And their trainers, Red J. Fernandez and Rani E. Fernandez.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of Iloilo Police Provincial Office Director, Bayani Razala. Salamat din sa liwag ang ating participants sa tambor, trompa, musika.
Wow, they are from...
Nakasadyahan sa kabanwahanan kahapon. For those of you, palakpakanta si Gong Toto, nakasadyahan sa kabanwahanan, which of course heralds our next special performance.
Yes, our next performers are from WVSU. They are called the Irong Irong Dance Company. An artistic transformation of the home of the champions.
Their champions performer include the five-time champion of Sinamba sa Panahon Pasok National
Long na bala.
Wala ka, lato pe.
Hindi ka mo.
Hindi kita ako si Jero, gang. Gang si Jero, hindi kita ako.
Hindi mo na siya. Napasudla na siya. Dilo. Hindi ka pala siya.
O, Sab, say Sab. Gang. Gang.
Tapos na eh.